Hey everybody, so for the song in the background, that's my fan. My allergies are really acting up, but I only need one more enzyme and I can get the Petal wound. This is one of my biggest goals ever. So let's just go ahead and summon a Sprout. Actually, you know what? I'll get this first. It's a wise boost. Alright, summon one Sprout. Ooh, epic. Oh, rare. I don't need that, so maybe we can get an enzyme here as well. Maybe we can. Also, do you also think that it's cool? So do we have 50 yet? Yes, we do. Here we go. I got it. I turned on my fan. That way I can hear this moment. Alright. Here we go. Over, make enzyme, craft, one ticket. And we officially got 75 enzymes. We have everything. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's make it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm looking real dry.
There goes basically all my honey as well. Oh, I can finally focus on mythics.
Awesome. Twins now.
Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Oh wait, I should probably test it first. What's one of my favorite fields? That's one of my favorites, but someone's using it. I wanted to see like what the pattern is. So I guess let's try. Here we go. Oh, so it's literally a flower. Okay, that's surprising. But this took a while though. Let's look at the base pattern of it in another field. So we'll just put that down real quick. Okay, so yeah, it's basically just a flower. Wait, does it shoot out? It does shoot out. And I don't even have the petal belt. I thought this ability was petal belt. Interesting. What? That was a lot of pollen at once. Holy crap. Man, I never thought I would actually get to this moment in Bee Swarm. Oh my gosh. I gotta get a mountain top. Just to see how much I get. And I can finally focus on getting to mid-game, finally. I can finally focus on getting to mid-game and I can take my breaks and work on twisted content. Now I gotta get mythics windy bee. Bruh. I know that the other quests are even more difficult than the ones that I have. It gathers just so much pollen at once, especially standing still. I could see how you definitely would want at least the diamond to gold sprinklers, because it uses so much at once. Oh my gosh, I love all those numbers. Alright, balloons time. Let's see how they fill up fast. Oh my gosh, they fill up so fast. Oh, look at this. They are filling up so fast. Look at that. I got 80, 84K, 86K. In that one balloon, man. Oh my gosh. Alright. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm finally happy that I got the Petal one. I can finally focus on Twitch the content. And yes, I'm still looking for a collab. Anyways, goodbye.
Get chopped.
There's the